1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. Friends, do you know what is this sequence of numbers is known as? That is right. It is called arithmetic progression. Here the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Okay, this constant is called common difference. It is denoted as small letter t. In this video we are going to practicing different types of the question on this topic, and I am sure that after watching this video you will find arithmetic progression is really. First we will see some question from arithmetic progression. So listen here. Consider arithmetic progression 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the common difference of these arithmetic progression? It is equal to, common difference is the difference between the consecutive term. What is it? 4 minus 5, that's equal to 1. How about these? Here common difference is, what is it? D is equal to 3 minus 3, that's equal to 0. You got it? Apply the same concept of the arithmetic progression, then we will understand that D will be 0 or negative or positive. What is it? Common difference will be positive and negative and 0. You got to consider arithmetic progression 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here first term A is equal to 2. What is the common difference? Common difference is the 4 minus 2. What is it? It is again 2. We have to find out the general formula of the arithmetic progression. So general formula equal to, what is the first term? First term is equal to A. What about second term? Second term is 2 plus 2. It is also written as A plus D. Then we will also written the third term is A plus 2D. Got it? We will check it. A plus 2 plus third term is 6. Then 6 equal to A plus 2 into 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, clear? Then fourth term is A plus 3D. What about the nth term? Nth term equal to, generally nth term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Got it? What is the general formula of the arithmetic progression? A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it clear? Okay, is it clear? Now we have to find out the fifth term of this arithmetic progression using this formula. Okay, we will see. A5, that's equal to, here A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2. Okay, we have to find fifth term. So n is equal to 5. So put all these value in this equation, we will get A plus 2 plus n minus 5 minus 1 into D. What is D? 2. So 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 2. That's equal to 2 plus 8. That's equal to 10. Is it clear? Okay, this is the answer. Then we have to find A10. Again apply the same value. Here n is equal to 10. What is it? 2 plus 10 minus 1 into D. Then answer is 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 2. Then 2 plus 9 into 2, that's equal to 18. Equal to 18 plus 2, that's equal to 20. This is the answer. You got it? How can we solve arithmetic progression using the general formula or n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into. Ready for the next question? Here it is. Find the 21st term of the AP minus 5 by 2, 0 and 5 by 2. We have to find 21st term. What is the nth formula of the arithmetic progression? It is an that's equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here first term a that's equal to minus 5. What is d? Minus 5 by 2 minus 5 that's equal to 5 by 2. We have to find nth term n is equal to 25. Apply and substitute all these values into our equation. A 21 that's equal to a is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1. 21 minus 1 into t is equal to 5 by 2. Is it okay? Yes. Minus 5 plus 20 into 5 by 2. You got it? Yes. Okay. Minus 5 plus 10 into 5, 50. The answer is 21st term is 45. Here is the only thing is that use the formula and correctly substitute the value of the a and n and d to solve this problem. Okay, you got it? How to solve this problem? Ready for the next question? Here it is. Find the 56th term of the arithmetic progression. 4, 8, 12, 16. I want to try this question yourself. You will get the answer will be 224. Okay. So friends, I hope the concept of the arithmetic progression is crystal clear to you now. Okay, that's all for today. This is a very brief one. There is also formula for the calculate sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. We will discuss all the important topics related to this in our next class. Thank you.